We don't have that.
Yeah, we do.
Where is it?
It's on the bookshelf.
Wait, which one?
Over here.
What was it, Mom?
You're looking at it.
Christmas Carol. What's this thing though?
Open it to the Christmas Carol book.
This?
Yeah, what is it? Show me.
Legoland thing?
What is it?
I don't know.
What are they?
Legoland tickets?
So what does that mean?
That we can go to Legoland?
Today?
Today?
We're going to Legoland.
We're gonna go to Legoland today. Yeah. What do you think of that?
Drive down with Is that exciting?
And then we're gonna go to Legoland tomorrow morning on Christmas.
You going to sleep?
What you doing?
Can we at least open one present?
Well, I think because we're going to Legoland tomorrow, we're gonna have to open all our presents today.
Woohoo! Okay, I know which one's mine.
Except for one.